boss ladies, it is your favorite personal stylist here, Kristen, and I'm so excited to say that the Style Me Chic Collective is finally here. I've been wanting to create a space for professional women like yourself to come and connect with like-minded women and learn about personal style. I get it. As professionals, we put ourselves on the back burner and we forget that we need everything that we're giving out. So I really want to be able to refill your cup and give you the confidence that you need to really hone in on your personal style and show up as the best person that you were created to be. So some of the benefits of this collective are shoppable videos. So I'll be curating shoppable videos once a month to really give you access to different websites that you can shop from and different items that you can shop for to really build the capsule wardrobe of your dreams. You'll also get style guides. So within these style guides, there will be 7 outfits that you'll get once a month that will give you an idea on what you can wear throughout the week, along with outfit formulas to make it easy for you to formulate outfits pertaining to your personal style. You'll also get style accountability. So I created a private group for you to come and connect with all the women in the collective along with me. I'll be giving tips, tricks, and dropping gems on how to really level up your style with ease. And of course, you get so much more. But honestly and truly, this collective is just for you because it is a space for you to, again, learn more about yourself and how to really showcase your personality with style. So, how much is this collective? So for $47 a month, you will get access to me and all the resources that I have to provide to you. But for your first 30 days, you'll get access to the content for free, but only for a limited time. So I hope you're able to take advantage of this special offer, and I cannot wait to meet you in the Style Collective.